Hello friends, welcome back to my new video on my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to pair your Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to pair your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phones friends. How can you pair it? In this video friends, I will show you how to pair your Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. Now let's see. So before starting with the friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. And first of all open your phone setting to pair your Wi-Fi network. After on phone setting guys, click on Wi-Fi setting and guys enable your Wi-Fi. And guys which network guys you want to pair, and guys you want to add any network. So friends, you can add your Wi-Fi network from here, and guys you can use your scanner also. Guys come back and guys you can see guys I want to pair this 5G network, so I will tap here to pair this 5G network guys. I will enter my Wi-Fi password, and so you want to check password, if you can check from here. You can see guys this kind of option guys, tap here to pair, then it will pair. You can see Wi-Fi network has paired, and guys you can use while operating Instagram, WhatsApp app, and guys YouTube, like that guys you can use it this Wi-Fi network guys. You don't have mobile data, so you can pair Wi-Fi, and guys you can use your phone. You can operate size, you can operate guys these apps. So like that guys you can pair your Wi-Fi network, and guys you can use in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.